Hey everyone, my name is Junior Gomez and I'm a muralist and artist in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I'm gonna be doing a mural in your school. But the most exciting part about it is that you're gonna be a part of it. That's right, you're gonna be helping me with ideas and concepts to come up with a mural that fits your school's identity. I wanted to give you a little bit of history on me and what we're doing. I'm originally from New York City, but moved to Charlotte, North Carolina in 2018. In 2021, I decided to pursue my lifelong passion of being a full-time artist, and here I am doing it. So if I can do it, you can do it. And whatever dreams that you aspire to be, you can definitely do it. Just believe in yourself and go after it. Since then, I've had the pleasure to work with many clients such as Nike, Carolina Panthers, Coca-Cola, DKMS. Have you ever heard of Daryl Mays or the Black Badger from YouTube? Yes, those are my clients as well, and I have done murals for them. But nothing is gonna top this project because you're a part of it, I'm a part of it, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. So make sure you start thinking about some creative and cool ideas for my visit. This way, we can all be ready to start discussing this mural process, and I just honestly can't wait for you to be a part of it. So looking forward to meeting all of you in person and getting started on this project. Take care. Peace.